So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to enter your license key on your Adobe account. So first, you need to access any web browser or search engine. In this case, I'm using a Google Chrome. So you could use any search engines based on your preference, just like Microsoft Edge, Opera, or any, just like the Mozilla Firefox. So after that, you need to utilize its search bar for you to able to search for the account.adobe.com. And once you're in, just search or just kindly access your account by entering your correct credentials. But if you don't have one, just click on the create a new account. Once you're in, you just have to click under the plans and payments. You will see a drop down menu right here. Just click on the product section. Once you click the product section, you will see a register a product and enter a serial number to register or even update your product or plan on your Adobe account. So as you can see, we have a text field right here. So you could put or input your serial number of your license key. So that's how you input or enter your license key on your Adobe account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.